Students, good morning. How are you all? You are doing well. That's great. Today we will start written work in math book. Before this we have done work in worksheets. In worksheets I told you about patterns, mean lines, that which line is called sleeping line and which line is called standing line, and I have also told you about curves. Okay students, let me remind you about lines. This line is called sleeping line. This line is called which line? Sleeping line. Okay, parents are requested to do practice of these lines at home. This line is called standing line, standing line, standing line. And this line is called slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. And this is called curve, curve and other curve, curve and other curve. Okay students, today we will read and practice number 1. Let me tell you that how we will write number 1. I have already told you in worksheets. Let me remind you that how we will write number 1. You have to first draw slanting line and then you have to draw standing line. Which line? Standing line.